Are you wondering if the Samsung S26 and also S26 Ultra supports wireless charging? So yep, I have some great news. Both these phones actually have got wireless charging coils on the back of them. So if you want to charge it, it's very easy. So simply grab your wireless charger, and so as soon as you pop on your phone on it, as you see, it will start to charge. So when it comes to charging speeds, this base S26 can charge at up to 15 watts of charging speeds. So you see how it's like slowly climbing here. Also, basically, as soon as your phone is actually like reaching the end of the charging cycle, it will drop down. So you see only like 6 watts at the moment. So yeah, the base S26 supports 15 watts of wireless charging, while the Ultra supports 25 watts of wireless charging. Also, what's cool, this phone can also do reverse wireless charging as well. For example, if you want to juice up another phone using this phone, we can do that. So if you go in your settings and battery settings, wireless power sharing, and then you see, for example, if I pop on my phone here, you see it starts to charge. Also, this works with, for example, Samsung Galaxy Watch as well, a bit older ones, so like Galaxy Watch 6, 5, 4 and any older ones. If you pop them on, you can also recharge it from your phone like this. Okay, good luck.